New arrival. Here we are with our Roadster Shop ride line chassis for our 70 Chevelle project for Josh Green. This thing is fully loaded with everything you can imagine. All right, starting at the back of this fine piece of art we have for a chassis, we have the custom built stainless steel tank, twin pump, because we're running a Nelson twin turbo engine in this when we're done. We also have cantilever rear suspension, billet upper and lower control arms, billet spindles, billet cantilever mounts as well with triple adjustable coilovers. When I say art, I mean it. I mean, look at these rails and how nicely formed this system is. Full hand-built, TIG welded, nice high attention to detail chassis. One thing we really wanted to emphasize on this chassis, especially with the build process, was how custom we wanted to make everything. So with the cantilever, it runs with a full 9-inch independent rear suspension. We have it built with a 35 spline setup. This thing's gonna handle quite a bit of horsepower coming out of that Nelson racing engine. All right, up front here, same story, man. It's billet upper lowers and spindles. Again, same beautiful fit and finish on the rails. You'll see we ordered ours with brake lines. We also ordered with a quick ratio rack and pinion unit and full sway bar system front and rear. Keep in mind, you can order these chassis with powder coat through them as well, so it's basically done and you're ready to bolt your car on. This one we're going a little more custom, so we're gonna do some different colors with it later that we'll choose throughout the build process to really give us some more definition and set us apart from the crowd. With all this show and all this go with that motor, we're definitely wanting to stop it just as good. So we got a set of bare brakes for it. So we're running the 14-inch drilled and slotted front and rear with 6 pistons, black calipers. Can't wait to get this thing put together. It's really awesome. If you're interested in Roadster Shop chassis, we are a dealer, and please keep in mind, just because you don't see it on the website doesn't mean they can't make it. These guys literally make a chassis for anything, so give us a call if you need some help.